You are going to love the 2015 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock brakes, backup camera, air conditioning, driver airbag, cruise control, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, steel wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.